Andy and Annie. Andy comes to play with Annie. They play with their toys. Mother brings apples and peaches for them. They eat some of it and go back to play. Ants come crawling on the apples. Andy and Annie, as they see the ants come, they say, "Hey! Hey! Hey!" Ants. Baby's bubble bath. Nanny Bubbita puts Bobby in the bathtub for a bubble bath. She brings balls and balloons for Bobby to play with. Baby Bobby has fun with the balls in the bathtub. Baby Bobby giggles as he plays with the bubbles. Baby Bobby bursts the bubbles. Buh, buh, buh. Cathy and Kim. Cathy and Kim are twin sisters. Cathy clicks pictures of butterflies. Kim flies a kite with her kittens. Cathy and Kim feed their pet ducks. They click pictures in the backyard with their camera. Go. 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 Danny's dream. Danny is a drummer. He likes to play drums. He sleeps with his pet dog Dillo. Danny dreams of a dreamland. Danny dreams of ducks, deer, and drums in his dream. Dillo, ducks and deer dance to drums in his dream. What is it in his dream? It is a dolphin. Dolphins dance as Danny plays his drum. Da da da. The elf's elbow. An elf and an elephant are friends. They go on an engine ride. The elephant is big. It runs along the track of the engine. The engine slips out of the track. The elf and the elephant push it back on the track. The elf hurts his elbow and calls, "Eh! Eh! Eh!" Fardeen's fan. Fardeen is a fisherman. He goes fishing in a fishing boat. A frog jumps into his fishing boat. Fardeen brings the frog home. The feathers of his 4 pet birds are on the floor. Fardeen takes some fruits out of the fridge. Fardeen switches on the fans. The feathers begin to fly. Fuh. 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 Gulliver's garden. Gulliver, The giant lives in a golden house. Gulliver and his goat walk in the garden. The goat eats the green grass. There are gooseberries, grapes, and guavas growing in his garden. Gulliver is hungry. He plucks the grapes from the grapevines. Gulliver gobbles up the grapes. Go! 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 Harry and his horse. Harry is from Holland. Harry eats a lot of hot burgers. That has made him fat. Burgers are not healthy, says Harry's father. Eat these hazelnuts and honey. Jog to keep you fit. Harry jogs, and his horse runs with him. Harry gets tired. He pants and sweats like a horse. Huh. 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 Ink on Ibrahim. This is Ibrahim. He lives in an igloo. He looks at the pictures of insects in his book. He writes with an ink pen. There is no ink in his pen. He fills the ink in his pen. Splash. The ink splashes on his nose. He begins to itch his nose. Jumbo's birthday party. It is Jumbo's birthday. There is juice, jelly, and jam toast for all at the party. Jack, the jackal, and Jay, the jaguar are here. They ring bells, clap, and sing the happy birthday song for Jumbo. Jack and Jumbo eat jam toast, and Jay drinks the juice. Here is a joker. He is juggling the balls. He is here to make everyone happy. They all have lots of fun as the joker juggles. Jump. 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 Lucy's ladybird. Lucy has a pet ladybird. She calls it Lucky. Lucky gets lost in the woods. Lucy looks for Lucky here and there. She sees some light. The light is from a lantern. There is a treasure box and a lamp covered with leaves. She picks the lamp and rubs it. Oh! What an amazing sight! The lock on the treasure box breaks open, and Lucky the ladybird is sitting inside. Monu's play. Monu sits with his toy monkey on his mat. He is a lover of music. Monu plays his mandolin. He puts on the music player too. Mother is back from the market. She has mangoes and melons with her. Monu is happy. He dances with joy, saying melons and mangoes. Ma. Ma. Ma.
Naina's nature walk. Naina and Nani go for a walk in the park. They see birds making nests. They see the squirrels nibble on the nuts. Nani sits to knit a napkin as Naina draws a nightingale. Nani leaves the needle and the thread on the bench. She takes a nap. Squirrels play with the needle. Naina stops them. She calls out, "Knock, knock, knock."
Oliver sees an octopus. Oliver lives on a farm. He has an ox and an ostrich as his pets. Father takes them all to the beach. At the beach, they eat oranges. Father wears his orange diving suit and dives into the sea. He likes sea diving. Father finds something in the sea. Look what it is. An octopus. Pinky's party. It is Pinky's birthday today. She gets a gift from her parents. It is a pajama party. Look, they are all dressed in their pajamas. Mother brings a purple cake for Pinky. Mother also makes some popcorn for all. Children play as the popcorns pop. Ba. 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 Queen's magical quill. A quiet queen walks in the lawn. She finds a quill. It is a magical quill. She draws a picture of a squirrel with a quill. Hop. Jumps a squirrel out of the canvas. Wow! Let me draw some more pictures, thinks the queen. She draw a duck. Hop. A duck comes out. Rocket in rains. Ron and Rhea run behind rabbits in the garden. Look at those lovely red roses, Rhea, says Ron. Suddenly, it begins to rain. Let's play, says Rhea. The children play games in the rain. They see a rainbow in the sky. What's that zooming out of the rainbow? Oh, that is a rocket, says Rhea. Sim and Smiley. Sim and Smiley come to play at the park. They play on the swing. They go splashing into the water. Splash. 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 A snake comes hissing by. The snake hides in the grass as they play. Sim and Smiley glide on the slide. turtle on a trek. We all go on a trek. Father puts up a tent. Mother and I clean the table. Look. Is that a tiger behind the tent? Roar. Tutu, the turtle tucks himself inside his shell. Ha. 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 It is just a tiger mask. Uncle's umbrella. Uncle Husky takes a pot to the river to fill it with water. He dips the pot into the river. The pot falls. Uncle jumps into the river to get the pot. Under the water, Uncle sees an ugly creature next to the pot. Uncle finds an umbrella. He grabs the umbrella. He pushes the creature away. He grabs the pot and umbrella. Up. 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 He swims. Veer's violin. Veer and his wife are vegetable vendors. Veer brings the vegetables in the van to the market. They set up their shop on the street. Veer likes to play the violin. He plays lovely tunes on the violin. His wife sells the vegetables. People listen to the music that Veer plays. They buy vegetables from them. Veer and his wife are happy. Veer plays the violin happily. Va. 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 The Wise Wizard. Children play around the windmills in a village. A wicked witch comes on her broom into the village and drives the children away. The villagers think of ways to send the witch away. They think of the wizard in the village. They ask the wizard to help them change the witch. Whoosh. 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 The wise wizard whirls his ward. The witch is now a wonderful lady. The villagers and the children are happy. Max delivers boxes. Max is a taxi driver. He takes people from one place to the other. He picks up 6 boxes to drop at a town across the forest. Max crosses the forest at night. It is dark inside the forest. Oh! A fox stands in front of his taxi. Max stopped the taxi. The boxes tumble down and his taxi stops with a Yogini's yarns. Yogini lives in the Himalayas in an ashram. She does yoga every day. She knits sweaters with yarns of wool. She brings the wool from the market. A yak comes in her way. She drops the basket full of yarn. The yarns go rolling down.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The zebra. The forest has many happy animals, but the zebra is sad. He goes to the city. He wants to leave the forest. He trots out of the forest. In the city, he comes to a zebra crossing. He is scared of the zooming cars and scooters. He wants to go back to the forest. I will be happy back in the forest. The city is not for me, says the zebra. He returns to his friends in the forest.
If you like the video, like and subscribe and press the bell icon.